everybody, this your boy Jeff Baylock here, Relationship Spices 101. Tip number 7 or 6, doesn't matter. Another tip. Now be advised that this is supposed to be all for the women, but I want to do one for both the men and the women because we all are victim of this, or at least some of us. So without further ado, let me tell you what it is. First thing, my pet peeve is lack of introduction. Let me tell you what this introduction composed of. The introduction composed of when you have a relationship and you bring that person, your significant other, whether it be a man or a woman, whatever, to your group or your family, and the first question they ask is, who is that? Now, based on what you say, it determines where your relationship at, value, the loyalty, and all the other jazz. But you have to give a proper introduction. Don't give no introduction like this. When you get into a group that asks, who is that? Don't say things like, oh, this is Sarah. That's not a great introduction. First of all, when you bring your significant other into the group, people judge you, people see where y'all at. They always say like, oh, okay, is they an item? Is they friends? Who are they? And you don't want to cause that confusion. Last thing you want to have when it comes to your friends and family, for them to guess where you stand there with this person. You want to nip it in the bud right then and there. So the proper introduction be like, hey, you know, this is my woman Sarah and whatnot. I just want to introduce her to the family and everything. We cool and whatnot. We date. No, you want to let it be known. So they be like, oh, okay, they together. Okay, man. I just thought, you know, she was a little side piece. You feel me? You don't want that type of confusion unless that's what you're doing. I'm not promoting. When you're in a relationship, you need to give that proper introduction. You need to give her or him, whatever, that respect. And without further ado, that's pretty much it. If you have any other questions, you can put it in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also subscribe to J Baylock Tutorials, the tutorial channel about dance moves, fitness, and job tips. Doing some new videos on there. That's pretty much it. Relationship Spices #1. Keep it spicy, my friends.